Welcome back to another vlog. I know you guys always see me in this robe, but it's so comfy. I cannot help it. I always wear it. Anyways, I just edited a vlog and posted it, so don't forget to go and check it out. Meanwhile, Mayank is playing games right there. Right there. And Marvel is sleeping here. It's not even late, it's like 8 o'clock. Yeah, it's just 8 o'clock. What game are you playing?
Shadow of War.
Shadow of War. I'm gonna go change my battery and then talk to you guys. The fish that we got yesterday, pomfret, I marinated it and I'm gonna cook it tonight for dinner. So we're just gonna have fish and some tea, I guess, because we're not that hungry. But I really wanted to make fish, so I'm gonna share it with you guys. I marinated it like with some yogurt and some spices, and then put it on top and made slits and put it inside the slits, and I'm gonna pan fry it. So yeah, that's like a simple way I'm gonna make it. Let's go down again, and this time I'm going to make the fish. So Mayank just finished his game and it's Saturday. It's a very relaxing Saturday for us. That's why we are in no hurry of doing anything. We were just sitting upstairs. He was playing, I was editing, and now that we have a little bit of growling in our tummy, I came down to make the fish. Let me show you real quick. I already marinated it, as I told you, the whole fish, and I'm gonna cook it. I'm so excited. I am so excited, and as well as Marl, because he can smell the fish and he wants to be everywhere near the fish. All right.
Alright, I just made this delicious cold brew for me, and Tanya is having tea. Look at that. So anybody who likes coffee, let me know. I'll give you the recipe.
And move it, sir. Look at my fish.
Oh my god.
So basically, I know I cooked it for the first time, and I think the heat was, I'm sure the heat was too high. That's why the skin burned off a little bit, but the fish is cooked properly. It looks delicious. Next time I'm gonna make sure it's perfect. So yep, we're gonna go upstairs in our bedroom and watch some TV. We're actually watching the movie Unknown on Netflix, and we're gonna have some fish, and I'm gonna have some tea, and he's gonna have some wine. So let's go upstairs. Fish
मच्छी खाएगी? बूबू, मम्मी कैसी मच्छी खाएगी?
We just got done with walking Marvel, and now we are drinking our morning tea. I'm drinking tea with honey and ginger, and look at his drink. It's super fancy. He is drinking marshmallow cafe. No, what is the name, babe? It's basically hot chocolate with coffee, and then hot chocolate mocha with some marshmallows and a cold foam, and then chocolate syrup. It'll fancy up. So here is our Instagram handle. Go check out the stories and you're gonna enjoy it. It is time to get some yard work done. Look at him. So we gotta do this side and this side, and he's gonna collect all the leaf over there. That is what the yard work is for today. Are you excited? It's like a whole workout.
It's like a workout for me today.
Yeah.
So it's a good way to stay active for me today. And we have to do this because they have assigned days to pick the fall leaves, and if we miss them, then I don't know how to take care of them. So we gotta get them all
Collected in one place.
So muddy.
Yeah. We're making lunch right now. So Mayank got done with his yard work. I took bath and he's making raita. What we're making for lunch is dal, rice. We wanted to eat simple plain dal rice and the small bagan, bharwa bagan, and the masala is cooking right there. So yeah, that is going to be our lunch. And what else? It's Sunday. We don't really have any plans as of now. We have started watching a new series called Lupin. Lupin on Netflix, and the first episode was definitely very, very interesting, so do watch it. Dal is ready and our rice is also ready. It got a little bit of dal in here because I cooked the dal and rice together in the instant pot, but it cooks perfectly. And then bagan is also ready over here, like so. Over here we had some leftover soy keema that we are finishing it off, and some raita, and done. And with that, we'll end this vlog and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. So until then, bye bye.